Welcome to Idaho News 6. I'm senior reporter Don Nelson outside the Ada County Courthouse. The last time we saw attorney John Pryor was in a fourth-floor courtroom as a jury sentenced his client, Chad Daybell, to death. Now, for the first time since that day, John Pryor sits down to talk about what it was like being part of a high-profile case and what attorneys for Bryan Kohberger can expect.
Don't be distracted by guesses or assumptions or hunches. It all comes down to facts and evidence.
Almost 5 years ago, John Pryor was thrust into the national spotlight when he agreed to represent Chad Daybell, the man convicted of killing his ex-wife Tammy and his girlfriend's two youngest children, Tylee and JJ. A trial Idaho News 6 reported on every day. But since the end of the 2-month trial, Pryor has gotten back to his day-to-day responsibilities as a Meridian trial lawyer.
Well, Don, I've made a point of trying to keep a low profile. I didn't want to comment on the case. I understand that some of the prosecutors and some of the police officers have commented. I'm not going to comment on the case. There's an appeal going on. I don't want to show any deference to either side as far as the appeal, so I think it's not appropriate for me to comment. But I took a little bit of time off. Now I'm working with Ray Child, and he's with the Boise law firm.
Another high-profile trial is coming to the Ada County Courthouse next summer. Bryan Kohberger will be tried for the murders of 4 University of Idaho students in 2022. What can those attorneys expect out of a high-profile case at Ada County?
Okay, well, I don't know that there's any way to prepare for the media, the intrusion into your personal life, the focus that's placed on the lawyers when you're doing something like this. I think it's going to be a little bit of a shock to all of the lawyers on both sides, the amount of attention that they're going to get. I don't know that anybody could prepare for that.
And as far as the change of venue, Pryor says he believes they can select an unbiased jury in Ada County.
I think that the court's probably going to televise the trial for helping those family members that live up in Moscow and up there to at least be able to view the proceedings and participate.
Pryor looks forward to being on the sidelines for the Kohberger trial.
There's at least a certain interest. Now that I'm done with what I was doing, I am interested in what's going on. I'm going to be fascinated. I know all 3 lawyers. I don't know them personally, but I know of all 3 lawyers. And I'm going to be, it's what I do for a living. So I'm going to follow and try to get an idea of what their strategy is, what their tactics are, how they're going to prosecute and defend the case. And there's an interest there. So now I'm the spectator. I'm perfectly happy now being a spectator.
I asked John Pryor what he has learned about himself over the last 5 years.
I learned a lot. Some of it I don't want to share with you. Probably learned more patience. Got an opportunity to work with some exceptional people while I was working on the case. And it's one of those experiences that I'll remember the rest of my life. I'll never forget it.
According to the Ada County Sheriff's Office, Bryan Kohberger will be held in the Ada County Jail until the trial begins and held separately for his own and others' safety. Reporting outside the Ada County Courthouse, I'm senior reporter Don Nelson, Idaho News 6.